National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Linn County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hiawatha, or near Cedar Rapids, moving east at 5 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Spotters have reported a funnel cloud. Expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Cedar Rapids around 7:30 p.m. Hiawatha around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Morgan Creek Park. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 18 and 25. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Linn, Iowa,